Uni's genuinely gotten to the point where I wake up from my 9 AM and think, I don't want to go in. I don't want to go in. And I know this is because I'm tired and I'm stupid for not getting enough sleep, because I tried sleeping at 1 o'clock and for some reason I couldn't sleep till 2 o'clock. I mean, I only got 5 hours of sleep, so I know it is partially my own doing. But at the same time, actually there is no same time, I just need to get my crap together. Like, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I just need to get it together. But then I told myself, you know what, go in, because actually I'm not going to expose myself like that. But let's just say it's not good. It's not good. So I told myself, wake up, make a coffee, get that caffeine down me, and then go in for the full day. Tastes rubbish, but you know what? Came to the conclusion that instead of every Monday morning getting Starbucks for £3.65, why not save myself £3.65 every single Monday and just make a black coffee, which will effectively do the same thing, if not have even better results, because I feel it's stronger and lasts longer. Sure, it may taste worse, but I'm kind of broke right now. I hate to admit it, but I am kind of broke right now, so black coffee at home is probably my option. And like I said, I need to get my stuff together, and I think part of that is managing my finances, which starts with substituting goods. I hate to start a week in a mood like this, however, it just has to be done. And it's probably because I'm just tired and I just woke up and I'm like, and I'll probably feel better later on, but at the same time, I do need to make a step towards genuinely improving myself. This space self-reflection, in the sense that I've been spending too much money, I've not been doing enough work, I've been slacking in the gym, and that just shows general consistency with just slacking as a person and not being the best that I can be, which is what I always aspire to be the best I can be, but I'm not being that. And so I guess I just need to work towards doing that, because what's the point if I'm not trying to better myself? Why would I settle for being subpar, which is what I'm being right now? We have a full day of lectures today, so 9 o'clock to 10:30 we have managing operations in the digital environment. From 10:30 to 12 we have a break. From 12 to 1 we have a module called Work and Society, and then from 1 to 3 is the killer. We have business economics, and I think we're starting microeconomics and business economics today, and I'm really not looking forward to that. That's what kills my Mondays the most, I think, business economics. Not because it's boring, because it's actually not boring, it's the fact that it's just difficult, and it's the module that I'm going to struggle with the most this year. However, because it's first year, thank God, I can literally get away with passing it, and then next year when it comes to the optional modules, I can just not choose economics, because it's not a compulsory module next year, and praise the Lord for that, because I don't know what I'd do if economics was compulsory next year. I was waiting for the bus for about 15 minutes, didn't arrive, because buses are running on time, so now I have to walk to campus. And well, it's only a 10-minute walk, but 10-minute walk in this freezing cold is 10 minutes too long, and I don't have a coat, so this could be a miserable walk. But I'll see you in the first lecture. If I could take you up in paradise like a ocean, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you know, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar, and hope we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise like a ocean, if you will tell me I'm the only one that you know, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, sugar, and hope we'll meet again. Oh,
understand that sector in terms of structure, organizational. The people involved in these kind of models, they are responsible for more types of works, and they are.
I just had what I think was one of my most boring lectures that I've ever had. That's all I can really say about it. It was a different lecturer, so this is the first time I'm seeing her because, like I said, lecture attendance not been so great because I missed the last one. But first time I'm seeing this one and I didn't really enjoy it. And now I've got an hour and a half break until my next lecture and then one right after that. So I'm going to try and make this hour and a half as productive as possible. Right now I'm in Business School South. So I was in the Exchange building in Jubilee campus earlier, but now I'm on Business School South. So I'm going to try and sit here and do some work, and if not I'm going to go upstairs into the Business School library and really just try and get some work done, because it's the most I can do, or the least I can do rather, after being so unproductive. Just got through my 1.5 hour break, and honestly, one, it didn't feel like a break. That's probably because I was catching up on a lecture, so I was watching that lecture from entrepreneurship. But two, it just dragged. And this is why you should get enough sleep, because if you don't, you just feel down, everything feels long, and well, I kind of played myself. But now I've got an hour working society lecture, followed by a 2-hour business economics lecture. No breaks in between, other than a 10-minute break for business economics, an hour into it. Let's go.
After the Halloween night, I was still drunk when I was at home.
This type is the really spooky one. So chasm is a Greek word for gift of God. And we use charisma now.
I'm back in the Exchange now. There's 5 minutes till business economics. Work society was tough. It was a lot of knowledge. See, I can't even speak. A lot of knowledge to learn, and I kind of zoned out. But I'm going to go to business economics anyway. Hopefully I learn a thing or two. Start with microeconomics.
So coming out of the 2008 recession, guess what we got stuck in? A liquidity trap.
So I'm literally on University Park, which is the main campus right now, and I need to collect my staff card for the student union because I'm employed by the student union. And then I'm going to go gym, and then because it's 5th November, meaning it's Guy Fawkes night, I think after going gym and showering, I'm going to go and see the fireworks. But look how beautiful the main campus is. So this is a Portland building, which is the student union building. You can see that screen. Apparently that costs £400,000. Or was it 40,000? Anyway, it's still a lot of money. And if you look over here, over there, that clock tower is the Trent building. And then this is my current view from where I am right now. And I need to go down this way where the Hallwood Library is, so I can go and collect my staff card. But yeah, basically after that, gym, then fireworks. Just had what I can only describe as a bit of a crap workout because, well, a number of reasons. 1, not enough sleep. 2, not enough hydration. 3, I forgot my pre-workout. It wasn't in my gym bag. And 4, I haven't lifted since March, and only 2 weeks ago did I do my first ever lifting session. So this was my 3rd chest and tricep session. since, so obviously my lifts have gone down, but then they went down even more because of the fact that 1, I didn't have pre-workout, 2, I didn't sleep enough, and 3, I wasn't hydrated enough. So I still got a workout done, just not as, the lifts weren't as heavy as they could have been should I have sorted out all those problems. So now it's just a matter of fact of getting back to my accommodation, showering, and then later on checking out the bonfire night in Nottingham to see what it's saying. So I've showered and now I'm ready to go out into the fireworks. And guess what? My shower didn't have hot water. It was lukewarm at best. This day can't get any worse, in fact this weekend, but hopefully the fireworks are going to be good. So apparently it's Nottingham's biggest fireworks display, and obviously because it's Guy Fawkes night, it should be, and it's taking place at the Forest Recreation Ground, I think it's called, and it's free. That's the great thing, it's free. So I'll be going there and not spending a single penny and getting vlog footage. Come join me for the fireworks.
Feel the pain. You can tell me where to go, so I don't know, and just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go.
The park, there's a bonfire going on right now, as you saw, and I think we're waiting for fireworks, which has been 13 minutes, but I'm here with my flatmates and a couple of others, as you can see here, but literally just waiting for the fireworks. It looks pretty nice, to be honest, this bonfire, if you look. But there's really nothing special about it other than the fact that it's just fire and they're igniting it. So I guess I'll be back when the fireworks start. That's a pretty weak fireworks display. Like,
Yeah, don't worry about that.
are they only just getting started?
Yeah. Hopefully.
Hopefully. We all hope.
Hello.
Extravaganza!
Oh, I thought they were going to pop then. Yeah. That's his point. This would be really wrong. That would be wrong.
Whoa. Whoa.
How much does all this cost?
Much, wow. 11 out of 10.
Over what? Over well over £1,000, yeah. I was thinking that, but like...
But that was very anticlimactic.
Because they slowed down a bit now, you know it's the big one's coming. quickly, say
Fireworks review, George.
Huh?
Fireworks review.
Sick, man.
Sick. That's it.
Yeah, the last bit.
What about you? What do you think?
It's good, man. Very loud. But a good night. Very loud.
Pretty decent, especially because it was free. But rip off chips. Rip off chips. Look at the amount of people just on that road. Feds coming down as well. Well, not right now, but they were. It's a bit of a madness, to be honest. Cars going havoc, people going havoc. Everything's crazy. Near Sainsbury's local. We've lost our flatmates. I'm here with Morgan. But that's it. We've lost everyone else. Don't know what we're doing. We might die at Ilkeston Road because it's dodgy ends and we need to go through there. If we get stabbed or shot, just know this vlog won't even come out, so you won't even see it. But if you do, you're lucky. You're lucky. So I'm on the way back to the accommodation and I'm here with Scott and George. Morgan has disappeared. I think he just really wanted to get back. But we went out to a place called Spice Hut, got a really nice kebab, and it's £4.50. Nottingham really just outdoes itself. £4.50 for a large. But Scott actually got his for free because they didn't take the payment. He literally waved the money in his face. He's like, and he still didn't take the payment. So, you know, Scott got a free kebab. But £4.50, cannot complain. And really, I'm just gonna make it back to the accommodation. There's not much else. I hope you did enjoy the vlog, to be honest, because fireworks, who doesn't like fireworks? If you did enjoy the video though, make sure to leave a like, comment below and subscribe. Follow me on social media, that's at MahelX on Twitter, at Mahel Khan on Instagram, and official Mahel Khan on Facebook. Let me know if you want to see more of these vlogs. And this has been Mahel, and I will see you in the next one. Peace!